Hello everyone, I am Socrates Bharati. Today we are going to talk about Metasploit community version. If you didn't see my previous video of Metasploit installation, please go and see my previous video. Then only you can understand in this video. I have given my previous video link details in this video description. Okay, now I am logging with username admin and put my password already. Sign in. We can see now, this is my profile, this is software updates. It will ask you for activation. First time you are going to log in. The activation key, send it to your email ID while download. Make sure you need to put valid email ID. Okay, we are going to start scan now. Go to project, new project. I'm going to call this project as Metasploit. Leave it empty. Network range you need to give 192.168.40.1. This is my network subnet range. If you give like this, you can scan whole network subnet. But now we are going to scan target server only. So this is my target server. And create project. We are going to start scan on. You can just launch the scan like this. You can see show advanced option. If you have a subnet range, you can include IP address here. You can put custom nmet arrangement here, and TCP port also you can provide here. You can put speed range here, and you can enable UDP services. I'm not going to mess with it, so keep it simple and hit scan. Give it some time, it will discover about scan details. In my next video, we will see scan details and vulnerability details. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see a lot more video like this, subscribe my channel and share my video. If you have any doubts, comment below.